Hello, welcome to Robinson's World YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a video inside a text effect in VideoPad. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the bell button. Okay, without wasting time, let's begin. Open the VideoPad video editor and go to menu, File, a new project. So I opened the project already. Here we need to import a video first. This is a sample video, and right click and place on sequence at start. So the video, this is the video. Okay, so what we do next is we need to add a text. For that, go here, add text, symbol text overlay, this one, first one. Select that one, double click that one, and you need to type the text. Few needs we need to take into consideration. First thing is the font. You need to choose a thick font. Here I am using Impact. That's a very good font, and increase the size. And color, you need to choose a light green color. You can choose any color, but I prefer light green color. I'll show you why we are using this color. Okay, and now type the text. So make sure the font color is this green color, and here click this one and choose full background and choose the color black. Okay, after that close. Now this is the text clip. Extend that till the end of this video, so it will show like this only. Now what we need to do, go to effects here by clicking this video effects button and click the add button and go here and choose green screen. Okay, now click the color and click this eyedropper and click here on the text and click OK. So it will be like this. Here I choose an outline with a white outline. Here I tick that one. That's why this border line is here. Okay, now it looks like this. So if you play now, okay, so we will add music. For that, go to audio file, right click, add file. I have already added audio file, so click place clip at the start in the sequence. So this is the audio file. Now if you play, okay, now this is the video in text effect. As you have noticed that there is no shaking, so we need to add some little bit of shake. For that, we need to go to the text track and click effects file, click plus and go to scale. Here we need to little add, like say 10 points, 0.10 for this size. Again we need to add shake effect. For that, click plus again, and there is a shake here. And the shake, make it a very less only. For example, 2.8. And the frequency, make it 3. Close this one. Now let us see how it looks, how it is playing now. Go to the beginning, from the beginning. Play. Shake. One thing, horizontal, we need to make it 0. Then rest is same. Okay, again we'll play now. You need to do little adjustment. Vertical 2.5. So this is how we create video inside text effect in VideoPad. Thank you for watching this tutorial. As said before, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. Also, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, please do kindly subscribe this channel and enable the bell button so that you will get notified to all the new videos. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.